The Ganga may have initiated from a single rock, but its stream extends its coolness and placidity far and wide. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book name Sanjeevani Vidya Ka Vistar. The expansion of knowledge of Panacea. The current system of education and schooling, wherein carrying the burden of usable and non-usable information is merely for performing one's professional duties to earn some money. This type of system may run forever for those who are content with it, but limiting oneself by assuming that it is the only available knowledge bank wouldn't uplift anyone. The innovation and inspiration that is required to mold the society and humans for the future can be extracted from the ancient system where skills were developed based on merit, which was self-sustaining and problem solving. Unlike modern education, where the emphasis is being given on cramming the book to score marks, it also demands a fertile environment filled with live examples in the form of teachers who can influence students and mold them to be talented and use the talent for the benefit of others around them. As this is a humongous project which requires handsome investment and, more importantly, time, apart from massive training camps for teachers, this exercise may take 100 years to complete. Therefore, a more practical approach is required based on a similar model, but amalgamating the same with the modern society in a more adorable form. Instead of waiting for extraordinary efforts to be poured in, it is better to start with whatever resources we have. The key points to be included in this education system are as follows: overall development and sophistication of personality, determination of a new social structure and operations associated with it, economy, how to have access to a simple livelihood, how to be involved in the thinking, character and behavioral aspect of human being, what improvements can be made to current family structure, how to get rid of physical and mental illness, how to deal with untouchability, how to determine simple and pleasant circumstances, how to balance the equation of anti-sophistication belief in the field of element philosophy, how to mold the bipartisan powers of monarchy and religion into a new era. Few excerpts from the book. It is better to construct a house as per the current requirements instead of delaying to build a place for future needs. Wherever there is a fire, it energizes the environment around it. Fragrance follows the similar pattern. Wherever there is a fragrance, it spreads the same smell in the environment around it. In the same way, education should also be considered the same. Whosoever is educated and wise will always increase the knowledge by sharing it with others. It is difficult to walk alone on a path towards change, but it is not impossible. Buddha, Gandhi, Dayanand, Vivekanand, Meera, Chaitanya and Kabir were not waiting for a group to be formed before they embarked upon their respective journeys. Instead, they started it all alone. Few topics covered in the book. The expansion of the knowledge of Panacea, create an era of literature without which there is no movement, how to make the Panacea knowledge comprehensive, the rise of supreme knowledge.